I can't believe some people are trying to ban male infant circumcision. It should be the parent's choice.
It is a highly personal decision, but it should be decided by the owner of the body. There is no immediate medical need that requires the parents to act. Australia has even banned it for non-medical reasons.
But my friend's friend had a boy and said it was difficult to clean. They had to make sure it was clean underneath the foreskin every diaper change, and he kept having problems.
Your friend created the problem by pulling the skin back. It is attached until later in life, sometimes even until during puberty. Forcing it back causes all sorts of problems.
Well, it will still be hard to clean when he gets older. I know someone who had it done later in life because of infections. He even cleaned it all the time with soap.
It takes 2 seconds to rinse during a shower. And everyone knows soap should not be used internally. Repeated use can cause dryness, soreness, and even infections.
I also read there is a reduced infection rate of STDs. That alone seems worth it.
Not only are the studies under controversy, they are incomplete. Some even show benefits for being intact. Regardless, whether you want to remove part of your body for some protection or wear a condom for almost ensured protection is an issue that affects adults, not infants.
Well, I still think it looks better. I wouldn't want to be with someone that didn't have the procedure done.
Everyone has a different opinion. You should not force yours on him. Not wanting to be with someone that didn't get cosmetic surgery done is shallow and ridiculous.
But it is not just me. Most men I know had it done, and the women prefer it.
That is not really fair since the men didn't choose it. Besides, if you want to make a decision that should be medical about conformity, the rates have dropped under 50%, so being intact is actually more common now.
But he won't remember the pain if it is done as a baby. If it was done as an adult, it would be way more painful.
He would still experience it, which is the worst part. An adult would get much stronger pain meds that are too risky to give an infant. Besides, have you thought about how he would feel if he didn't want it done?
He wouldn't. It is part of our culture.
Female cutting is part of other cultures, and they use many of the same reasons you bring up to do it.
That is an unfair comparison. Theirs is barbaric mutilation. They sew up the vagina and remove the clitoris.
Actually, what is most common is to remove some of the labia and clitoral hood. Barbaric, but still functional.
But they are important in foreplay, and the clitoral hood keeps the clitoris healthy and sensitive.
Yes, and the same can be said about the foreskin.
You are just a crazy nutjob.